Okay, everyone. This video is to help you to write your body paragraphs while this is warming up. Your body paragraphs, you should not start your body paragraphs until after you have written your claim and you've finished your research organizer. Once you finish those two steps, it'll be much easier to start your body paragraphs. Now, body paragraphs are focusing on this portion of your paper. Oh, those lines went through, but it should be the second paragraph and also the third paragraph of your overall letter. We'll come back later and we'll talk about the introduction and then we'll finish up with the conclusion. But the body paragraphs are the meat of your paper. It's where you're going to really explain why and support the reasons of why if you support this bill or if you oppose the bill. Okay, so the first part of your body paragraph will start with a topic sentence. The topic sentence is the main idea of the paragraph in one sentence. It states the first reason for your claim or from your claim. Now, my bill, as you remember, my example bill is HB 123456, which is talking about increasing money for outdoor parks and recreation. My first reason talked about in my claim was that it would increase tourism numbers. So if you'll notice that in my topic sentence, I bring that up again from my claim. My topic sentence for my first paragraph, by passing HB 123456, will increase tourism numbers and bring more money to our state. Now that I've said my topic sentence and it matches my claim, I'm ready to move on to the evidence. The evidence, or the example, is a piece of evidence from the text. This is from the research that I read. House Bill 123456 will make our recreation sites more accessible, cleaner, and provide more options for camping and overnight hotel stays. According to the Deseret News, tourism brought in over $960 million to Utah's economy. That's straight from the research that I read, so I want to plug that in here because it supports my topic sentence that passing this bill will increase tourism numbers. So I plug that in right after my topic sentence. After the example comes your so what. You need to explain the example or the evidence to the audience so that they understand why that number is important. So here I had that my evidence was that tourism brought in over $960 million to Utah's economy. I'm going to explain that. As we improve our recreational options through this bill, more people will come, which will lead to even more money. So I'm saying that it's important that we pass this bill because it will increase tourism. Tourism is a big interest in Utah, and we can expect to see that increase if this bill is passed. So I'm explaining my evidence a little bit more. Lastly, I'm going to be looking at my transition. So I'm going to be coming back kind of to the topic sentence, restating the topic sentence, and talking about why this topic sentence is important. Clearly, this bill is what is best for Utah, so I restate that. After you've written your first body paragraph, don't forget that there is a second body paragraph that you have to talk about. Once again, those lines went through, but you can notice that there are two body paragraphs which will focus on your two reasons that you wrote about in your graphic organizer, your research organizer. The second reason is going to state the main idea of the second reason from your claim. So my second reason that I talked about in my claim was that more businesses and individuals will come if HB 123456 is passed. So I put that in as the topic sentence of my second body paragraph. Once you've plugged in the topic sentence and you'd want to go through and support that reason with more evidence and a so what and also a transition statement that will build your second body paragraph. You'll need to have two body paragraphs for your letter. That ends our PowerPoint. If you have questions, please make sure that you ask those questions in class, but refer back to this video for help to see the structure of the paragraphs, and to remember you need to have two of those paragraphs that very well explain the reasons that you support or either oppose, whichever view that you chose, your bill.